On this date in history, a little English-British history for you today. 1189, Richard the Lionheart, crowned King of England after the death of Henry II. And in 1783, the Treaty of Paris signed. This officially recognized the United States of America for the first time, signing France, Spain, and Great Britain. And during this negotiation, Ben Franklin, big part of it, he wanted everybody to give them, what they had of Canada also. We didn't get Canada. It was close, but no cigar. We got everything north of Florida and below the Great Lakes and from the Atlantic Ocean to the Mississippi. How many eyes? Yeah, the eyes have it there. Born on this date, Charlie Sheen. He was born in 1965, died, more British history for you, Lord Oliver Cromwell, voted by the Brits one of the 10 most influential individuals in British history. He died in 1658. Interesting scenario, Mr. Oliver Cromwell. He actually was involved in an English Civil War, which I didn't even know about until this, where it's like the parliamentarians overthrew the monarchists and executed King Charles or something. E.E. Cummings, American poet, and he knowed it, died in 1962. And Frank Capra died in 1991, great film director. 1940, the first demonstration of a color TV. I didn't know it was that early. I mean, color TVs didn't start showing up till the mid-50s, I thought, but I was wrong. Today is Skyscraper Day, so stand back and gaze up at one if you have one near you. Or if you have just like a 3- or 4-story building, just squint at it. Make it look taller. My favorite skyscraper? The Chrysler Building, baby. That's on this date in history.